This video is about Mendeleev's periodic table. This is chemistry, and I'm talking about Mendeleev's periodic table. So now, what are the characteristics of Mendeleev's periodic table? Means characteristic features. So number one, so Mendeleev periodic table consists of 7 horizontal column called periods. Okay, horizontal columns called periods. It is horizontal. This is horizontal called periods. So, okay. So these are numbered from 1 to 7. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7 it is. So it has 7 horizontal columns called periods. Now number 2, 8 vertical columns called groups. 8 vertical columns stand like this, it is here. It's called the groups. So these are designed as Roman numeral 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In Roman numeral 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 it is. It's okay. Now except group 8, each group is divided into 2 subgroups. Yes, each group 8 is not divided into subgroup, but okay, leaving 8, other than 8, all the groups are divided into 2 subgroups as A and B. A and B it is. Okay, so the elements which lie on the left hand side of each group, okay, constitute subgroup A. So these are called the normal or all representative elements. Yes, the group A elements are normal or representative elements it is. So the elements which lie on right hand side of each group constitute subgroup B. So these are called the transition elements. Transition. So this subgroup is made on the basis of difference in their properties. Subgroup B is made, okay, so they have been placed in group B, okay, because they do have different in their properties. Column 8 consists of transition elements. Transition elements in 3 sets, such as, okay, 3 sets each containing 3 elements. So these 3 sets lie in the 4th, 5th, and 6th period. 4th, 5, and 6th period is. Now, okay, the noble gases or the inert gases, okay, or the rare gases, okay, were not known, okay, at the time of, okay, Mendeleev. Therefore, there was no group of noble elements. Okay. So we will not find the group 8, which consists of this, okay, noble elements, because at that time these noble gases were not found out. Okay, so now, however, when these gases were discovered, okay, discovered around the year 1900, a new group called the zero group was added to the Mendeleev's periodic table. Yes, that is called the zero group, was added to this Mendeleev periodic table. Now achievements of Mendeleev periodic table. So what did the Mendeleev periodic table achieve? Why was it so important it is? So first is systematic study of elements. Yes, systematic. Okay, before this Mendeleev elements are not studied systematically, but this group, so okay, it makes okay a systematic study of the elements. Now, so Manley was the first scientist who arranged the then known elements, means okay, into groups of period. This made the study of elements quite similar i- because if the property of one element in a particular group were known, okay, so those of other elements can also be known. It is this Mendeleev periodic table were arranged on the basis of okay increasing atomic number, and number two, grouping of similar elements together, grouping of similar elements together. So the Manley periodic table was based on these two principles. Now